Hello, and today's topic is gonna be I'm gonna be reviewing a platform called Public. It's the newest platform where you can buy and sell stocks. It's really good. I don't. I don't have a opinion in terms of like I hate it. I do like it because they don't sell your basically trade to market maker, and it is free. Their entire model is you basically donate certain amount of money. All right, so let's look at this platform a little bit in more in detail and see what you guys think. I currently use this not this often, but I'm still trying it out, and I want to give you guys my take on it, and hopefully you guys can share something too. Okay, so this is their website. Obviously, they don't have actual website where you can buy and sell the stock, unlike Robinhood. So they're taking the same strategy where Robinhood at the beginning didn't really had a website, and eventually they did made a website. So this is their website right now. They do have a pretty good like what was it, pie, like, how do I go back? So if you go themes, public.com.themes, if you're a new investor, this is amazing. I wish I known that 3-4 years ago when I was getting started. I didn't, and I found a lot by doing a lot of hard works and basically just watching YouTubes and TVs and reading about it. But this it helps you basically narrow down to what you really believe in, right? Let's say, for example, you believe in stay at home, right? And you want to invest in stay at home technologies. Here you click on stay at home. Here, not only they give you these stocks that they have, about 41 stocks and 6 ETFs, you can also, right, these ETFs. So you don't really have to do much research out of the bat. And then from these companies, right, you can choose which company you really want to invest in, right? So for that purpose, I really like that. And the companies they do have, it's not like I would say anything bad. Like if you're a new investor, they do pretty good job of protecting the young people, because their entire platform is somebody who's new, who doesn't have much experience, and they want to give them pretty good companies so that they don't really, unless you do panic sell, you'll be fine. So I'm going to bring up a little bit. So this is one aspect that I really like this. I'm going to bring up their, this is their website, the app. So this is my app right here. Right now it says your portfolio was up 1% yesterday. One thing I do not like is it doesn't give you really charts like how Robinhood does. So it's really, that aspect is not that great. I do like how they have a social aspect of it, that you can see what other people are thinking. And if you go to your, where is it? There you go. Actually, they do have. So scratch that. I'm sorry. I just found something new. So they're showing me my value over time. And let's see all. So I used to have about $100. Then I took out the money, and then I'm coming back, and that was in July of last year, actually, somewhere. So, but I just bought again another share. So here they're showing me this value. Invested in stock $26, cash balance $23.18. right? And here's what they're showing me, my portfolio, $26.13, and here are all the watch lists that I have that I built over time. So if I go in this one, it's called Global X Fund, autonomous electric vehicle. Yeah, I was, I just kind of wanted to invest in. So if I wanted to get more, I can just click on this theme, and here are all the companies that deals with more or less in artificial intelligence and all of the ETFs. So it's easy. If I want to, let's say, buy it, I can just go here in ETF and I can just say invest. Oh, come on. Right, yeah, you can buy it. I can buy it in dollar, right? Let's say $100. If I had that, of course I don't have it right now. I only have $23 available. I can't really spend that much. And I can also do, what do they call, slice, which means you can buy. I can buy a fraction share, market order. Right now market is closed. I can do limited order, stop order. They do not have anything with option trading, probably for a good reason, because if you're a new investor, you shouldn't be messing with option trading anyway. They don't have any margin trading. Again, those are a bit of advanced people, so their platform is pretty straightforward. You, like, let's say any stock that you're interested in, let's say I want to buy Apple, and there's Apple, and I just click invest. That's simple, straightforward. Now I own Apple. Okay, and when I'm ready to go ahead and sell, I can go ahead and sell it. And they don't really sell your when you're ready to buy or sell, right? They don't go to market maker. They don't really sell your overflow. That's the word. And then they also have this little community aspect, what people think, what's going on. So, like, for example, people you can follow, like this guy, right? He has it. So it's pretty good for if you're a new, you can read what other people are doing. I would highly recommend, if you're somebody new, that you can use this platform for your advantage. All right, guys, that's all I had for this one. Actually, they do have another setting. I'm sorry, they have this setting which is right here for stocks, but if you get dividend reinvestment, see, they have save my dividend or auto reinvest. So it's very easy, straightforward, and they'll do that for every single stock. I don't know if they would allow that to do that individually or not, but still, this is a cool feature, right? This is probably a new way of doing, I would say, stock. All right, buying and selling in the future. I would love to see them growing a little further. This platform, I really like what they have for now. All right, thank you.